All right, let's hit the trail. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike, and today, oh, do I ever have a treat for you guys. Today I went on one of the most epic trail rides I've ever been on in my entire life so far. There might be some more coming in the future, who knows, but oh my goodness, my legs are so sore after this ride. The first 5 minutes or so I was able to ride, but then the next 20 minutes or so I ended up having to carry or push my bike the majority of the way up the hill. And let me tell you guys, it was so worth it coming down the hill at the end of the video. Well, let's get started and we'll take you guys on a bike ride to the top of the world. This is going to be so much fun coming down. Can't see anything from here, but this is cool. It doesn't really say how tall it is. It's got to be like 30, 50, maybe 60 feet or something. I'm going to try and get the drone up in the air because you can't see anything. So the waterfall is literally right there. Oh, I lied. There is a viewpoint just off to the side. That's about as bestest views you can get. Let's do one better. Apparently we're following a seismic line. Alright, trail ain't gonna finish itself. That's so cool. So I was just wondering, like, how the heck do you get a bridge in the middle of nowhere? Apparently it was a helicopter dropped into place and then it was set into place. That is so cool. Because, yeah, there's no way 1,000 pounds worth of metal up in the bush just to set up a bridge. Holy crap, guys. What a bike ride. I'm about an hour and 40 minutes into this bike ride. I've traveled just over 4.3 kilometers and I've climbed almost 200 meters. But man, was it ever worth coming up here. If you ever guys have a chance to come up here for a hike, not a bike ride, don't recommend biking this. It's a little bit insane, that's for sure. I can't believe the view from here. You would have never known anything like this was in the area until you actually come and see it. And even when you look at the pictures and even see what you're about to see on video, the pictures just do not do it justice. Because once you see Mother Earth and its magnificent, you just want to see more. It's like a drug. Once you see something this cool, you just want to see another one and another one and another one and another one. And what's around the next corner? Who knows? Let's go find out. All right. I know the suspense is probably killing you, so let's show you guys what I see. I've not been mountain biking this much since I was a kid, to be completely honest, but that's all right. We'll see you guys down the trail. Saw a detour to Dipper Falls, or Big Dipper Falls, I don't know what it's called, but I never shy away from a waterfall when it's not that far off the trail. I'm glad I didn't bring my bike down this. Push my bike all the way up this hill, and I've already got enough hills to climb. See you guys back at the van. We are entering the Hidden Valley. This sucks. Where did it break off? Right here? Shit, okay. Have to tie it around here. That's gonna be uncomfortable. Just broke my backpack. Too much weight, probably. As long as it makes it back to the van, then we can fix it. I got a sewing kit in the van. First, we gotta get to the van. Seems like it's a million miles away. Woo! Okay, legs, take us home. Oh, I'm too tired to pedal. Woo! I see the end of the trail. What an accomplishment. I feel so grateful that I was able to take my bike and bring my bike where people don't normally bring bikes and enjoy nature and be a true nomadic explorer in a van. Definitely living life to the fullest. That trail was absolutely amazing. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't even lift my bike. It's so heavy. Oh, that was such a big bike ride. Even laying on this ground feels so good. Well, I'm going to sleep good tonight. That's for sure. Well, I'm glad you guys stayed with me until the end of this video. It means a lot to me that you guys stuck around this long because every view counts and every new subscriber counts. I appreciate everybody that's watched. I appreciate all the OG subscribers that have subscribed to me a long time ago and they're still watching. I'm going to relax and eat some food because I'm starving. All right, guys, remember to share this video to anybody that likes hiking, mountain biking, waterfalls, anything like that. I'd love to see 1,000 subscribers by the end of summer. That would just mean the world to me. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.